Engine dies after 20 minutes of running, give or take. You should probably check this. Alright, so this is my fuel pickup. This is a fuel gauge, fuel supply. This right here is what's called a breather. It's also a rollover check valve too. Sometimes you have a vented cap, and taking off the cap is kind of your indicator. If you take off the cap and all of a sudden everything starts working just fine again, it starts right back up, then that's your indicator. What's occurring is it's vapor lock on this one. So this valve right here I can hear it moving. So when a tank pulls vacuum, it's pulling vacuum from here. So you want to make sure that this hose is clear. So I'm on vacuum, and if I plug up the vacuum, see I hold vacuum. Let's see if we can pull vacuum through the hose here. Alright, well the hose isn't blocked. Let's take a vacuum gauge up to it. That right there should be moving. It shouldn't have any pressure at all. There's your problem. So grab yourself a brand new check valve. I'll link them in the description. New grommet. Set your grommet on there. Maybe a little bit of WD-40 or some spit or something. Pop it in and hook your hose back up. Problem's gone. Put it back together. Make sure she runs. Yep, that got it. Hope y'all got something out of the video. Really appreciate you hanging out. Catch you guys on the next one.